Hi everybody, and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you when will the Google Maps car come. So, at first, the most common issue that you might not know is that the Google doesn't have the fixed schedule of getting somewhere and taking photos. You have to remember that there is no fixed day-to-day schedule, month-to-month schedule. We just have the time ranges from, for example, January to June, or from June to November, or something like that, and the places that they will be there during this period of time. To know and to check that, we have to enter the web browser and search for the google.com/street view and search. Here we have some other language, but don't really mind that. It's not my language neither. Here, as you can see, we have the place. We have to tab it, and for example, search not United States, but let's search Japan, and maybe not Hiroshima, Saitama. We have to tap this button, and here, as you can see, we have from January to August, and here we have the places. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.